Welcome back again to AI Academy. In this video, I'm thrilled to announce that this is just the first phase of our exciting video series. So far, we've visited what is AI, responsible AI, the science behind the prompt, and what Copilot can do and where it's available, as well as AI features that appear in your favourite apps. But guess what? There's more to come. In the future, we'll dive into cutting-edge products powered by AI that will excite you with feature highlights and powerful tools that will make your life easier. We will also showcase how AI is transforming the way we work, play, and connect, and continue to explore the magic behind Microsoft's AI initiatives. So make sure to subscribe for the latest content from Microsoft and AI. So that's all from me for now. Thank you for watching AI Academy, and remember, this isn't the end. It's just the beginning of our incredible AI journey together.